Y'all, it's your boy Edda Chevy 254, man, out here fooling with the Chevy, man. As you can see, got some tools. What's that? That's the bracket, AC bracket installed, man, getting it in there. I already got that back piece on. You gonna have to take your tensioner off. 3 bolts, boom, like that. So let me go on and finish getting it assembled onto my, and then we'll go from there. All right, so as you can kind of see it up under the hood, man. Man, that thing is beautiful, bro. It's beautiful. So the AC compressor gonna sit, bam, right there in between. There's only 3 bolts, so that one's up top. And I got this one here. It's gonna come through like that. Know what I mean? And I got another one that's gonna come through like that. Know what I mean? Like I said, this is just for, showing purposes. So real easy. And I mean, when you spend the money on something like this, I mean, that's exactly what you want. You want it to fit with ease. To not be an issue, everything like that. So installation for this bad boy was a breeze, but it's something missing. Yup, we need an AC compressor. Let's go get it. All right, so as you can see, we got a box. This box here contains one remanufactured compressor, part number 57948. This is a R4 compressor. This is what this bracket is made to hold. You hear me? This is what it made for. Hold on, give me a sec. Get it out the box. Yeah. New, or I mean, reman to me, bro. I mean, it's just as good, especially when it comes with a warranty. So it's like, whatever, bro. Because obviously the new one had to be fixed. So yeah. So let me get this out the plastic, and then I'll get it mounted over here on the car so I can show you how that's gonna mount up real nice for us. Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy. We back. So as you can see, got the AC compressor on there. I just have to put the tensioner back on there. I ran into a little issue because it was all tightened down, so I had to loosen it up to make sure that I could fit these spacers behind there. But as you can see, it all lined up. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, man. It's fucking beautiful, man. So let me put this tensioner back in its place, and then we're gonna go ahead and route this belt, and then shit, see what's popping. Hey y'all, so as you can see, it's all the early morning. I'm actually about to go live. Just came picking up the correct belts, 6 rib, 104. That's the part number, which will make the effective, or the actual effective, or the amount that you can use. This is it. Unfortunately, they didn't make it in a cheaper belt. Gates is the more, this one got like a 3-year warranty on it. So, I mean, it's not money wasted, so it's all good. So let me get this installed, and then shit, maybe we can even hear her talk to us. Boop, boop. The last belt, I got the wrong belt. Hopefully this one will be the right one. I learned a little bit about the part numbers while going through this whole ordeal. Basically, 6 means 6 ribs. That last one we said, half said 7. And then 104.5 is the actual amount that you can use of the belt. See, it's 105 outside circumference, but 104 and a half is what you need. 104 and a half, the tensioner to take up the rest of that. So let me get this installed. Alright, so it looks to be third time the charm. Belt is going around everything. AC compressor, alternator, water pump, got our tensioner right there. Around the power steering. Everything's on track. Everything looks good. Crank that bad boy up. So I still got this over here from another video. Telling on myself. Yeah, man. It looks groovy, baby. Groovy, baby. Air conditioning coming soon. Air conditioning coming soon. So, man, yeah, y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for the future videos, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Click the bell. All that good stuff. It's your boy, Chevy 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely. Productivity over procrastination. Gone. And remember, the hustle don't stop. The grind don't stop. Gone. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, Chevy 254. You tune in for another one. Yes. You see the shirt. See the shirt. See the shirt. See the shirt. Chevy 254. Identify your weaknesses. Make it your strength. This is Dare Inspired. You can get this shirt along with so many others right here in the store. Link is in the description box below. I'll put it right here at the bottom of the screen. And I'll even show you right here. As you go onto the website, you can see all the different shirts that we offer. Let me scoot over and make some room. So as you can see right here, everything that we have to offer, new designs are going to be uploaded. I don't want to lie to you. I don't want to say weekly. You know what I'm saying? I try to go weekly. Could be bi-weekly, man. I'm really gonna get more on this so that I can get these shirts sold, man, and get the revenue rolling in so we can build a Chevy. It's lit. It's lit. So definitely thank you guys for your support, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe on the channel. Watch the videos, watch the commercials or the advertisements, you know, YouTube put out there. That helps greatly. And these are just some of the ways that you can support. You know what I'm saying? Of course, you know, I'm out there hustling and grinding, doing what I gotta do as well. But know what I'm saying, this is just an additional way that we can get more money into the channel so that we can get these bills on the road, man, and make them a little bit more epic, so to speak. So I appreciate all your support, guys. It's your boy, Chevy 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Gone.